Hello and welcome back. Beef biryani. Now this is one of my favorite biryanis of all time. Now before we could cook this biryani, we'll have a quick look at the ingredients that we're going to use for this biryani. I've taken 1 kilogram of basmati rice. So the rest of the ingredients would depend upon the quantity of the rice that you are taking. So whatever ingredients I'm going to tell you today, it's going to be for 1 kilogram of rice only. If in case you want to add another kilogram, double the ingredients, and if in case you want to reduce the quantity of the rice, then reduce the quantity of the ingredients. Guys, I'm going to soak it in water before I could start my prep. Now for a beef biryani, the most important thing is selection of the meat. For 1 kilogram of rice, I have taken 1.5 kilogram of meat. Now as is beef, though, the choice of meat is more important. Now when you're cooking a beef biryani, the meat has to be tender, so always pick meat from the undercut or the tenderloin. So have picked meat from the undercut. So I'll cut it into medium pieces here. 300 grams of onion chopped, 300 grams of tomatoes finely chopped. So the onion and the tomato quantity would be equal. Curd 250 ml, ginger garlic paste 200 grams. So always use fresh ground ginger garlic paste, quarter bundle of coriander finely chopped, mint leaves quarter bundle chopped, a cardamom, brown cardamom, and mace a small piece, 8 to 10 cardamom, cinnamon 7 to 8 pieces, 10 pieces of clove, 3 green chilies slit, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, rose water 2 teaspoons, kevra water 2 teaspoons. This is an herbal extract. It's if you want the bottled kevra water, you can actually get it from any supermarket. And salt to taste. Let's start cooking. I've taken a pot where I could cook up to 2 kilograms. So I have preheated the pot. We'll add the oil. Once the oil is warm, add the chilies, cardamom, cinnamon, clove, mace, and the brown cardamom. Once the spices start splattering, at this point add the onions. Now close the lid and allow the onions to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, open up the lid. Fry the onions till it gets brown. The onions are fried till it gets brown. Now do not add any ingredients till the onions turn brown. Add the mint, the coriander, now goes the ginger garlic paste. Now the ginger garlic paste is roasted. Now reduce the flame. Add the chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. Mix it well. We're not going to add any extra color to the biryani. Chili powder and the turmeric powder is going to give us the color for the biryani. Now add the curd. Mix it well. Now at this point you can actually increase the flame. Once the curd is blended well with the masala, now add the tomatoes. Tomatoes are cooked, now we'll add the meat. The meat is mixed well with the masala. At this point, now add 500 ml of hot water. Meat should get immersed in the 500 ml of water that we are using. Let's taste the salt. We need to add some salt. The reason is the salt has to be a little bit in excess. The reason is that when you're adding the rice, the salt has to blend well with the rice. Now it's come to a boil. At this point of time, we'll add the nutmeg powder. The kasuri methi. Mix it well. Allow it to boil for 2 minutes in high flame. It's boiled for almost 2 minutes. Now close the lid. And reduce the flame, and we need to cook it for 40 minutes. The meat's been cooking for 30 minutes at low flame. Meanwhile, what we will do is we will actually take another vessel and we will boil water to cook the rice. So I've taken a full vessel of water and I'm adding some salt to it. Now that the water has come to a boil, we'll add the rice. This has to cook only up to 20 to 25%. It's almost going to be 40 minutes. So I'm going to open up the lid to see if the meat is cooked, and it's been cooking in low flame. This meat is cooked. Now we'll strain the rice and add the rice to the biryani. I have drained the water. I'm adding the rice. Gently mix the rice with the biryani. Add the strained water from the rice. Add the water till the mark where the rice is immersed. Once it's getting to boil, add the rose water, kevra water, mix it gently. If in case you want to add ghee to your biryani, this is the point when you add ghee to your biryani. I'm not adding ghee because there's enough fat and oil in this biryani. Close the lid, allow it to cook in high flame for 2 minutes. Now it's on a high flame for 2 minutes. Now at this point, you need to keep something heavy on the lid. So I'm using the drained water. I'm keeping it on the lid. I'm reducing the flame to low and we're going to cook it for 20 minutes at low flame. Cooking in low flame for 20 minutes, we will open it and see. Yummy beef biryani is ready. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.